This is Mark at Independent Motorsports at 3930 South High Street in Columbus, Ohio. Just wanted to take a little bit of time and show you this Voyager Trike Kit that was installed at our service center. The Voyager Trike Kits are very nice. They are a non-permanent trike solution. Your rear wheel is maintained on your two-wheeler and 2 extra wheels are added along with it. They're relatively simple to get back to a two-wheeler. You just remove the couple of bolts here and a couple of the pins and you should be able to drive right away from it. Customer put this on I believe it's a 2000 Fat Boy. Just a beautiful bike to begin with. They match the paint colors to the color of your bike. The kits start around $4,500 installed. This one was probably just under 10,000 installed with the custom paint, the bigger wheels, and they added electric reverse to it. The reverse motor actually goes into the hub. It's this block right here, and then there's a ring gear and a motor that will give you reverse. They're great for, as we're all getting older, our leg strength gets a little bit weaker. We love our bikes that we've had for all these years and want to keep it. This will allow you to do that and give you the stability of 3 wheels. They're also great for escort services, police. You can lose your motorcycle fleet year-round. Throw these on in the winter and keep your guys upright and keep your bikes going year-round. If you're interested in a Voyager kit, give us a call at 614-917-1350 and talk to the service department, or stop down on your bike and they'll go over all the options with you. Ride safe and ride independent.